are you all doing on today? I hope you all are doing very, very well. Thank you for coming back to watch another one of my videos. I truly appreciate it. Before we get into this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? I thank you so much in advance. Okay, y'all, so we got another closure wig, okay? We got another closure wig. This is a closure wig from Supernova Hair. Shout out to them for sending me out this unit. Thank you guys so much. They sent me a 5x5 lace closure wig, and the texture, this is their curly texture. It is 250% density. Yes, y'all know I love that. The bigger the better. And it's 30 inches. Yes, ma'am. So we're full and we're long, okay? Yeah, so of course here I'm showing you all how I place my baby hairs. And I did show you all how I, trim my lace with the baby hairs already down. So that way we can make this install super quick, super easy. This wig, it does come with 3 combs, I believe, and an adjustable strap. Okay, so the wig was nice and snug for me, very snug, and it does have a comb in the back. I did go ahead and bleach my knots, and I did pluck my hairline, of course. Now this closure did need plucking. Yes, it did need plucking. The knots on the closure, I hope I didn't say frontal before, but closure, the knots on the closure are pretty thick. I don't know, the knots, they're not my favorite type of knots to work with, but as you can see, we're able to make it work. So if you do decide to get this wig, just be on the lookout that you will need to, well, it does come pre-plucked, but you don't have to do it. But if you want a nice natural looking closure, I would suggest you to pluck your closure. It didn't take me long because this is a closure, but it took me a little second to get in there because it was kind of thick. And then the knots are thick too, like they're thicker than I like. But either way, like I said, we was able to make it work. So I used my bed head hard head spray to put my wig on. Super easy. I just put it on my finger and tapped it on top. Because I just needed a little bit of security. I didn't need much, so just a little bit, and I set it with my blow dryer. And yeah, this install literally took me like 15 minutes. Promise you, it took me like 15 minutes. And it really only took me that long because I was filming. So if I wasn't filming, it probably would have took me like 10 minutes to put it on and go.
Photoshop. Show me something natural like Afro, picture brown. Show me something natural like ass with some stretch marks. Still take you down right. This shit
But yeah, this week, everything, the hair, everything, okay. I love the fullness, the bigness. I did style my wig in like a flip over because y'all know closures. I'm not a fan of them on myself because I have a lower hairline, so it could tend to swallow my face in my opinion, when I wear it. So I prefer to do like the flip over or push it back when I'm wearing them. And this looked so good. It looked freaking natural. Like I had somebody who thought that I had leave out. They thought I had like leave out with my closure, and I'm like, no, ma'am. This is a closure. All of my hair is in. So, y'all, shout out to closures. Those that are team closures, I fool with y'all. Okay, y'all know I'm team frontal, but baby, this looks so good. Like it was such an easy process. Like I was shooketh. I was shooketh. Okay. Um, so yeah, if you're not here for the frontals, you can get the same freaking look, with easier maintenance, easier styling. I mean, you could put your wig on and go literally if you want. You don't have to do all the little tedious stuff, but you can literally put the wig on and go. The only thing that I would love for them to do is just up the quality on their closures a little bit. But for what we got and for what it's given, I loved it. Again, the hair, love it. The fullness, love it. So y'all know I'm a curly hair girl. Big hair don't care. Okay, the bigger the better. But yeah, y'all, that's all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. Supernova Hair, thank y'all so much for sending me out this week. I truly appreciate you all. To all my viewers and subscribers, I love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for always supporting me. I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video. I love y'all dearly. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.